Have a seat.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Satana Kepaiza.
For short, how do I need to call you?
You can call me Atta.
Atta. Okay, Atta. Can I see your CV? Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Atana Kepaiza. I'm a fresh graduate from Bangka Belitung University, and I get some experience when I joined a student organization who's taking a part in many events.
In
Many events.
many events. Okay. And then
Yeah. My ability is can speak English, speak English, and I'm a good timekeeping. That I never come late and can go on the time.
okay, Atta. Atta, would you mind to tell me how do you know about our company?
I know this company from social media, exactly on a TikTok. When I was looking for suitable job for me, and your job came up.
Okay. What do you know about our company?
Your company TGV is the best course to learn English in a town. TGV is
Can you see my eyes? Because this is interview, okay?
TGV is not not only teach English, but TGV has teach English speaking skill. That's it. But TGV learn English in British conference.
Conversation.
British.
Okay. How about your free time?
My free time I'm use for like internship in like internship course English. Yeah, that's it.
Do you have any activity to do? Because our schedule fit from 3 until 8:30. Do you have any activities during that time?
My activity is I'm do it in morning like that, like cleaning house, go work on it. That's it. Yeah,
Only that. So you don't have another thing to do
Yeah.
so far. Okay. All right, Atta. What do you know about teaching English?
I got some experience when I teach uh, teach internship course English, and the student is interested with me English
And then?
when speaking English.
And then?
Then the student speak with me in English, and I teach them. Yeah, that's it.
Where did you teach before? In what school?
In internship course English.
Where is it?
In the coffee Ahmayani.
Coffee Ahmad Yani. Okay. So you taught there. You taught in teenager or kids, students?
And teach kids and teenager. That's
Okay. Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between teaching the kids and then teaching the teenager students?
Teaching the kid must be patient when they make mistakes and don't listening. We have teach them with inspire and don't met with him. But in teenager must more like more games, maybe like a full play games or yeah, anything else.
With teenager,
Yeah.
we have to play games, not the kids.
But kids will play games too. But teenager exactly don't listening when they like a play phone. Yeah,
What do you mean by teenager don't listen to you when they are playing phone? What do you mean by that?
they are don't listening because they are focused on their phone like play video games, watch TikTok, social media. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so you mean that we have to be strict to them. Okay, if let's say you see a teenager play the phone, is playing the phone, okay, what will you do?
Like tell them to stop their playing phone and keep the phone on the back.
But if let's say they don't want to listen to you, what will you do for the next?
Maybe I will take their phone and give the phone when the class over.
Do you think it is good thing to do? Is it effective?
Yeah, but yeah, when I take the phone, they can focus with learning English. And then have to like focus on the core again.
Okay, okay. Please explain what teacher are you? What kind of teacher are you?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher like more patient when I face to a student when they like make trouble, make trouble, and I like must start speaking to communication with them when they must trouble, like advise them.
You face them,
Advice.
advise them.
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of advice?
Tell them to don't play phone when in the class, and don't play video game when we are learning.
Okay, right. Atta, what inspired you to be an English teacher? Why do you want to be an English teacher?
Because I have some experience when I internship in
No. What I mean that why do you want to join English major? Why do you want to be English teacher? Why not another major, let's say math or sport or becoming architect, let's say, or police? Why do you choose to be English teacher?
I want to English be teacher because I want to like teach the student because I have some like ability like master English speaking skill to teach them and make them like master it English. I like it.
Do you like English?
Yes,
Why?
because when I kid
When I was kid.
when I was kid, I don't like I like watching movies, but the movies is subtitle is English. But first time I don't can learn it. But when I was junior high school, I can learn it and like can reading in the like TV and YouTube like that, the phone.
That's why, because since you were a kid, you like to watch
Yeah.
the English thing. Okay, right. What are your strengths and your weaknesses, Mr. Atta?
My strength is mastered English speaking skill that I can communication with student and when I teach them.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a good planner who's making leads for my activity, like that's it.
How about the weakness?
My weakness is I feel nervous, but I can handle it with stay calm and take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Why should we hire you? And then what is your contribution later if we accept you?
Because this job, like I can use my ability like teach English, and I can contribute my teach skills and gain and boost your company.
Can you prove that later?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you again about what kind of salary, expected salary do you want from us?
When I search on social media, this salary is $2 million. $2 million.
$2 million?
Rupiahs.
Okay,
Yeah.
we don't play with dollar, okay? If $2 million is really
$2
big,
million
okay?
rupiahs, and that's it enough for me.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What can you do if you have the 2 million rupiah from us?
I can like surprise like that, like give to my mom, give to my parents, like eat for the day.
Do you stay live with your mom?
Oh, I'm in apartment.
Oh, in Pangkal Pinang there's an apartment or cos? Which one?
Oh, yeah, a course.
That's why I question how come in Pangkal Pinang there's apartment. It means you are rich if there is apartment in Pangkal Pinang. You stay in apartment.
Yeah.
Okay, where is your cos? Where is your boarding house?
In my back to Jmart, and that's it.
Near TJ Mart. Which TJ Mart? Selindung or Selindung? TJ Mart Selindung. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Jmart.
So 2 million is enough for you actually,
Yeah.
if we pay you. Alright, do you have any question, Mr. Atta?
Oh,
No, that's all. Okay. I have your phone number here. Okay, and then later I will contact you through the WhatsApp. Okay, whether you can continue to the next step or not, the next process or not. Let me know you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much and nice to see you.
okay.